In this particular video tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to turn your initial $63 into 600 in a very short interval simply by trading cryptocurrency on Binance. So apparently you all know that cryptocurrency trading is all about speculations. It's all about making speculations. So, irrespective of how you want to speculate, you will be able to make money regardless. Either you feel like speculating to the upper side or to the lower side. Whichever direction you speculate, if it comes out to be correct, you are going to definitely get rewarded. So in order to go about speculating the right way so as to make money, that's where strategy comes in. Because without having a working strategy or without understanding what the overall picture of the asset is, you will not be able to make nothing. So making the right speculation plays a very significant role. So no worries, because this video is going to be packed with a whole lot of information that will help you kind of like know how to go about speculating the right way. So sit back, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get in real quick. So in order to get started speculating, we'll be using Binance futures to go about this. So quickly click on futures at the bottom right corner there, and you have to be on USDM futures. And right after then, you will need to like select a particular crypto that you intend to use in speculating simply by clicking on that cryptocurrency icon there. And after then, there are a whole lot of cryptocurrency that you can pretty much use in speculating. So I'm going to be picking any one out here that has a very decent volume. The volume is right beneath the coin, by the way. So the volume will clearly signify how liquidated the cryptocurrency is. So when you are picking any one at all, make sure that it has way more than 10 million volume. So apparently this one has over 100 million. That's the more reason I'll be going for it. So right after picking your preferable assets there, it is time to adjust the margin to isolated. Okay, by default it might be on cross, so switch it up to isolated so as to be accountable of the money you'll be using to open a particular trade. And after then, you set your leverage to your preferable leverage. It is always advisable to go moderate. Don't go too high, because when you go higher, the risk increases. So I'm using about 16x. That's the one I'll be using to do all of this. So right after setting all of that in place, we'll be using market order, by the way. Market order will get you in quickly. Like when you are entering, you'll be using market order. But when you are getting out, limit order is preferable when you are getting out of the market. So I'll be setting this order type to market. Yours might be on limit, so switch it up to market for this strategy to be effective. After then, we will need to now determine either to take long or take a short. As simple as this. That's where strategy comes in. So that's the more reason I'll be opening trading view. So when opening trading view, I'll be making a confirmation right now. The confirmation is pretty simple. This confirmation will now enable me to know the right direction to take, either to go long or go short. So basically, I've drawn this trend line. Okay, the trend line consists of the upper trend line and the lower trend line. So basically, what happens is that the market is failing to break above like this trend line. There are a lot of liquidity gathering there. So that zone is failing to break, which means that there is no much buyers being in control, sellers are slightly taking over. So which proves to me that there will most likely be a rejection, before any possible break. So let's take a sell right there after making that confirmation, as simple as that. So when we took a sell right there, we'll be using the entire 63 to do this. Okay, let's see how much we can make from that in few minutes. So when opening that trade right there, we should be able to manage our money simply by placing a stop loss right above that eye, in case the liquidity will get mitigated. So our sell stop loss is going to be like our buy stop loss, by the way, is going to be at that price 17.35. So that buy stop loss has been set there. Then we will wait for any profit between that stop loss. Any profit that comes in, we will take out, even as much as 25 or anyone. So let's wait and see what will happen in few minutes, and I will get you all back. So apparently after a few minutes we saw a rejection as usual, like I've told you. So we should be able to take out the profits. We got about 8 point something. So I had to set a limit order to take it out, to sell it for the profit of 8 point something, which we made over $8 approximately there. So that was some cool profit with a decent stop loss. Stop loss plays a very significant role. Okay, and this money will be compound. I will catch you all up the following section when I want to take another trade so as to compound it over time to over 600. This is a challenge, by the way. So hit the like button, subscribe, so you won't miss those subsequent videos. Peace out.